when this one ends, that's when the traditional song comes, and then you can do your freestyle and dance amazing. So that's the idea. So this one is just 90.
Hey guys, Blessing here, and how are you all doing? So as you all can see from this video, we are currently working on a choreography for the main event. The only hitch right now is that we cannot even hear the song we are practicing to. We are hearing the sound of the generator. I think we're just gonna dance to the generator sound. This is Nigeria, guys. This is what Nigeria sounds like by night. Anyway, the show must go on.
So we are doing 4 poses. The first one is, the second one is, the third one is, and then the fourth one. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Alright, do it again. Stop. Yeah. Yes. Better. A little bit more movement. Yes. Good. Hold. Hold. Good. Why is that? Hold. Hold. Time. Why is that? Hold. Time. Go. Walk. Hold. Time. Come. Go behind, right. Walk together. Hold. Walk. Hold. Time. No. Time. Walk.